I'm Jason Jacobs with TechWorldLabs.com, and this is Igor. We have something exciting on the table today for you guys, a bit different, something pretty high-end. Some of you out there are probably enthusiasts, have done your own liquid cooling. If you're going to step it up from a standard heatsink and you're going to choose liquid cooling pretty much comes in two forms. You've got a closed-loop system or a custom system, which you build, assemble, and fill yourself. This is not a closed-loop system, meaning that you can take the piping out, you can unassemble the fittings and change the routing of the system, pretty much configure it as you wish. This is one of the higher end systems on the market, made by ThermalTake. This is the RL240 kit, Pacific by ThermalTake. It comes with a couple of different configurations. This is the 240 kit here. Includes a radiator that fits two 120 fans. If you want to go high-end enthusiast cooling and you're going to build your own system, in the past the expense has been pretty high. This system retails pretty cheap, and in the past water blocks alone could cost upwards of $200 for copper water blocks, polished interface to the CPU. What we have here is a system comprised of a couple of different components which we're going to go through. Your interconnects for the piping are all compression fittings. They're all going to be similar to this one here. They are laser etched with the ThermalTake logo, chromed or nickel plated. These also come in different colors and available on ThermalTake's website. This tubing comes in either 1/2 inch or 3/8 inch outer diameter tubing. What we've got here is the system comes with this standard fluid, but for you guys we're going to go a little bit higher end, a little bit more flashy. We're going to use some opaque fluid here. This is ThermalTake's new C1000 red. Opaque fluid. This is some flashy stuff. Again, it comes in all sorts of colors, again available on ThermalTake's site. So you got the water block, you've got your compression fittings, you've got your D5 pump and reservoir, so we went with some good names here. You've got your tubing, you've got your fans, which these are LED lit fans. Again, it comes with the standard coolant. You can also opt for the C1000 in different colors, and then you've got your radiator. We're going to go ahead and disassemble a system, reassemble a system, and show you in a time-lapse fashion the entire build. So stay tuned with us. We're going to fit a whole new system in the Core X71 chassis and build it from scratch. This chassis, as you can see, is pretty big. This is a custom chassis meant for exactly what we're doing here today. It's got a bottom section meant for your power supply, and of course this bracket here, which is meant perfectly for your radiator. It's got sleeved openings for your tubing. It can be mounted externally on the back here, in the bottom, on the top, even in the front. You've got multiple configurations here, and you've got removable side panels for the top and bottom. So stay tuned. We're going to build a system from scratch here shortly. Alright, welcome back. So as you can see, we built the system. Total from start to finish, removing an entire system, putting in an entire system, all the screws, nuts and bolts, everything that has to go in, filling the water cooling system, figuring out the directions, installing the CPU brackets, running the tubing, Getting it working, going slow, took about 4 hours total from start to finish. Did you enjoy that high-speed run through our build? System looks great, it's aesthetically pleasing, and more importantly, this is the quietest water cooling system I've ever worked with. This is a D5 pump, so you're assured good quality. Yes, it is running, even though you can't see it, and as we tested it in Furmark and a couple of other applications, the CPU stays cold. The rest of the system will heat up, but you're no longer affecting the rest of the system with the bleed over of heat from the CPU. So overall, your system's going to stay cooler. Stay tuned for our full review of this system, including the assembly and installation. And if you check on the review at techrelabs.com, we'll even have thermal photography proving that the system does absorb heat and you can see it visually expel the heat out through the radiator. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. www.techrelabs.com.